Hi, so this is the game component that we made for our gold points. And as you can see, we enter a new game, we enter a seed. And this is the first major component that we did was we have the option of creating three characters. This is one of our creative mechanics. So if you press 1, you get the omega symbol. If you press 2, you get the diamond. And 3, you get the Apple logo. As you can see, this is just pre-recorded game footage. And as it runs, I'll explain how our game works. So the second creative mechanic we did was adding these gold tiles. Now you can see wherever there was a room generated, we added gold tiles instead of floors, and basically you have to walk past it to change it back to floors. And the object of the game is to get all the gold tiles in the given time, which is 2 minutes. The last creative mechanic we did, which I'll cover more in depth later, is new descriptions to each of our tiles. So as we can see that in phase two, we had to add a description every time we hovered over it, but we decided to change that around here. So as you can see, we're about to win in this situation, and now you have a win screen. I'll also show footage of us losing, which is going to be this next screen. So you can see that if we're not able to make it in the given time, which is now like as it counting down, we'll have a lose screen that shows that we weren't able to get all the gems. So yeah, we have a timeout. So this is the part I was gonna talk about, which is the hovering. So this is another world that we loaded with the same character situation. And once you have it, we can see that nothing we changed to a deep abyss of nothingness, and likewise we changed a lot of the other ones as well. So this is what we did for our wall. This is what we did for our floor. This is what we did for the gems, which are the game component of our how we open the game. And this is your avatar. Yeah, so I forgot to mention this, but the last thing we did was just to show how we create a new character. So if I create a new world and I start this, in this one I pressed 1 and I'll get the omega symbol. Now you can see the omega symbol is the character that's in the game right now. So and then the same function works where the tiles remove are removed once you cross over them. Now I'm going to run through the second time, which is when we're pressing 2, which will give us the diamond. Again, new game, enter a new seed, press 2, and now we have a diamond. And you can see that same function of the game. And lastly, we just again did the same thing for the Apple logo, which is the third character that you can beat. So once the new game loads, we press 3, and now our Apple logo is it. Even though it's cut off, I think that's mainly just because the way our world's rendered and the way our dimension of the size of the walls are makes it that way. But this is what we have. Thanks.